Hello, my name is Nathaniel from 12 Accounting 3. To improve your listening in a foreign leaks, I would recommend that you practice listening to the target language at least 1 hour per day, and this is impossible for most people, even very basic people. Listen to something while you drive, while you're on bus, while you're walking, while you exercise, while you're on your lunch break, while you're cooking, or while you're talking or shower. Anytime that you are not working or talking to other people, listen to their language. Even if you are not focusing on the language, or you will hear the same sounds, the same words, and the same patterns again and again and again, and each day you will become a little bit more comfortable with the language. When you do this type of listening, remember that you don't need to understand every word or every sentence. Your goal is just to hear the songs and hear the words again and again and again, so that you start to become comfortable with them, even if you don't understand all of them. However, it's also a good idea to carry a very small notebook everywhere that you go, so that if you do hear something that interests you, you can write it down. But what should you listen to podcasts, the new music, TV show, my video, whatever you want. Just make sure that it is in the target language and it's actually something that you will enjoy listening to, so that my mind advice for most people, try to listen at least 1 hour per day, and don't worry too much about how much you understand or don't understand. However, if you do have time to really focus on listening, here are a few other things that I recommend when you watch video like this one on social media. Try to write down everything that you hear. If you can spell something that you hear in the video, don't worry about it too much. Just try your best, write in the way that you think that is spelled, and then you can try to search for it on the internet or a dictionary. This is a really great way to improve your listening, because one, it focuses you to focus on listening to you, learn lots of new words and new structure as you write everything down. And three, when you finish, you have a whole sheet of notes that you can use for review in the future. Another thing that I recommend is choosing a TV series what genuinely interests you, something that you think you're really going to enjoy watching, and watch the whole series without caption. You will be surprised at how much you can actually understand even without the caption. It's a lot easier to understand what the character are talking about after you have already watched several episodes and you really understand what's happening in the story. And again, don't worry about understanding every single word. That's not really the point. The point is just to spend time with the liquid going into your ears and into your brain. You'll also become a lot more confident as you realize how much you can actually understand, even when you don't understand every single word. If you are a beginner, you can start with material that has been designed for language learners instead of material that has been designed for native speakers. However, you should start trying to listen to natural speech as soon as possible. For intermediate English learners, my video can be a very good source of information. However, they are not the best video for listening practice if you are at the intermediate level. Most of your listening practice should be listening to TV, radio, podcast, not English teacher, because although and intermediate Learner can learn a lot my video. My speech is very clear and the language I use is very simple. It's not challenging now for an intermediate. Learn to really improve their listening skill. But for a beginner, yeah, my video are a great was to starting getting comfortable listening to English. And the final thing that I want to say is no, that many people love to see the words on the second day, love to have caption, and I'm going to warn you hard caption are dangerous because when the words are on the screen you are always going to read them, and when you focus on reading the you're not focused on listening. If your goal with watching TV is just to have fun with a language and learn a few new words, then yeah, go ahead and use caption. That fine, but if your goal is actually to improve your listening, I highly recommend that when you watch video you watch with them without the caption. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any other question about this topic. Thank you.